No more excuses when it comes down to bettering your nail craft. There are different ways to practice your nails at home. In this video, I'm going to break down the least expensive way all the way down to the most expensive way to practice your nails in the comfort of your own home. The first way, nail swatches. You can get them off of Amazon, Shein, for less than $10 for hundreds and hundreds of them. They come in many different shapes, many different sizes, down to square, stiletto, long square, so many different things. And you're able to practice your application, your filing, your nail art. You can practice whatever on nail swatches. But the good thing with nail swatches, I feel like they're for beginners who are just starting out. You need to know how to apply things on a nail, and it's good for making sure that you're able to isolate the product on that one surface instead of getting it on somebody's skin or anything like that. Like, that's a good way to practice that. Step number 2, with your own hands. My favorite method, the pop-off method. I have used the pop-off method almost for most of the sets that I have done on my channel, because I know that most of my clients, I have some clients who like to venture out and try things, like they're out there like that. But most of them, they just like to keep it simple. They like to keep it plain. They don't like all that. But I still like to do those sets and promote them on my Instagram or on my channel, those fun creative sets. So I can do them on myself, and I can just easily pop them off, and I don't have to worry about the hassle of them being permanent. That's the good thing about this set. You don't have to worry about it being permanent. You could do about 10, 20, 50 sets if you wanted to do it in one day. You could achieve all that with using a pop-off method. If you want to see my application of the pop-off method and how I applied the acrylic, you can go check out this video. It'll be either right here or right here, somewhere up here. I'm gonna link that video right there so y'all can go check that video out. Third method, last but not least, the method that everybody has always started off with, which is the fake hand. Now, I leave this one for last because I feel like the fake hand can range in prices and can be more expensive. You can get one for $30 or $20, and then it could go all the way up to $100, $150. It depends on how realistic you want the hand to be. If you're just starting out with the hand, I have started out with a little robotic hand, and I'm pretty sure everybody has seen. The good thing I like about my fake hand, the realistic one, is that I'm able to post those. You can still post the other ones, but you know, the fake hand, it looks more realistic, so it looks better aesthetically. So I post that one on my page before, like here or here. When I didn't feel like doing the pop-off method on my own hands, I could just leave those nails in the fake hand and just take it off when I want to. I don't have to worry about popping it off on my own hands. Especially, let's say if you have another job or you're in a time crunch, you could just practice on the fake hand. The good thing with the tips that you insert into the fake hand, you don't always have to apply acrylic. You could just polish them and practice your nail art if you wanted to. There's many different ways that you could get that practice in. It should be no excuses for y'all. None at all. So with that being said, there should be no more excuses for y'all to better y'all nail craft and to get yourselves out there. So go ahead and check out this video right here to learn more about the nail art and get your practice on. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.